y'all. It's Andrea with Sucs For You in Houston, Texas. I found this cool planter the other day, and doesn't have drainage holes, but we know what to do about that, right? I'm not sure what plants I'm going to put in it yet either, but got to make sure we have holes in it first. So let's get started. And we are ready to get drilling. I have a ceramic drill bit. This is just water, y'all. And have a towel down because we're going to be using the water to keep the drill bit cool. Looking at this pot, we're going to figure out where we should put the holes. And because it starts to get thick, it might be hard to tell, it starts to get thick right about here. So we're going to need to focus the holes where it's thinner. And let's just go, you know, it is a smaller bit, so we're going to have to put multiple holes. I'm just going to make some marks. Let's say right there. Right there. And y'all, it is really soft material. This is going to be quick. Thank goodness. Let's do... Alright. Oops. So we're just going to wet it down. Kind of helps keep the dust from going up in the air, and it'll keep the bit cool. So let's start with the one in the middle. You kind of want to go slow. Done. That was so fast. See how that got powdery really quick. Now I'm thinking, since it is so easy to drill, I'm going to try and add some just over here to the side that was thicker. And I'm not really pushing down, kind of letting it. Looks good. Let's do one more. And I'm going to do it a little bit further in this time. Right about that. Yes, slipping through like butter. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to go rinse this off and figure out what we're going to put inside. Y'all, I think this is going to be the perfect plant. It is a Jatropha burleyandieri. It's a Texas native, and it's a caudex. So it will go dormant, and it'll during the winter time, and it'll just looks like just a naked potato in a pot. And then come spring, it starts to wake up. And I do think that this is going to be a really great fit. And I think it's going to be funny and weird, and I really like that. And I'm sorry I'm picking your nose, dude. So let's pot it up. It's windy today. At least that makes it a little bit cooler. We've had a lot of rain overnight, and we're supposed to get another storm coming through, but I don't think it's going to be that bad. This is a fun rainy day project in between the storms. Alright. And we'll just go ahead and hold this over, tip it over, and it doesn't have a big root system right now. It's pretty small, which also makes it really good for this pot. It's a pretty shallow pot. This is going to be really easy. Watch. Make a little bit of space in there. Maybe come back in and add a touch more dirt. And then I'm going to put some top dressing in. What should we use? Expanded shell. I don't want to use turfus, just because I think it'll look better with either white pumice or expanded shell. Let's see. Maybe a mix of both. I decided on a mix of expanded shell and pumice. Just mixing it up a little bit more. And just very simple, fill it in. That's it. And, you know, think ahead when you're potting up a new planter. You want to, you know, plan for the plant's growth. Whether if it grows down and long, then you're going to have to elevate, and then, you know, so that they can hang down. So I definitely wanted to put something in that just went straight up, make it easy, and I really like it. Let's see. Talk about plant brain. What do y'all think? I think it's perfect. What do you think? Thanks for watching, guys.